welcome back to the Spice of Life. Today, I'll show you how to make irresistible butter chicken. This dish is creamy, flavorful, and easy to make. Let's dive in. Let's start by preparing our marination for the chicken makhani. Take 1 kilogram of boneless chicken cut into cubes. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream for that creamy texture. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of black pepper for a bit of heat. Season with salt to taste. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil and mix everything thoroughly. Ensure the chicken pieces are well coated with the marinade. Set the marinated chicken aside for at least 2 hours to let the flavors meld together. Now it's time to cook our marinated chicken. Heat 1/2 cup of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the marinated chicken to the pan. Stir the chicken well, ensuring it's evenly coated with the oil. Cook the chicken until it is tender and cooked through, stirring occasionally. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we'll prepare the rich and flavorful gravy for our chicken makhani. Heat 1/2 cup of oil in a large pan. Add 2 medium onions, finely chopped, and fry until they become translucent. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Add a 1/2 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Mix in 4 to 5 chopped tomatoes. Season with salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Sprinkle a pinch of kalwanji, nigella seeds, for an extra layer of flavor. Pour in 1/2 glass of water and stir well. Cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes to blend the flavors. After 5 minutes, blend the gravy until smooth. Add the cooked marinated chicken into the gravy. Cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Stir in 1 cup of fresh cream to make the gravy rich and creamy. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish with fresh green chilies and coriander. Your chicken makhani is ready to serve. Enjoyed making chicken makhani? Comment, like, and subscribe for more recipes. Have a wonderful day.